Alright, today's video is going to be on how to tie a fisherman's knot. It's pretty easy. This is a 12-pound monofilament test line, nothing special, and a jig head lure with a hook on it. So the first thing you're going to do is take the end of your fishing line and put it through the eyelet on your hook. And get it. Then you're going to pull some through. Then you're going to come around with this end at least 7 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're going to take the end and you're going to put it through the hole that you have made from doing your twisting. Which is harder to do than you think sometimes. And you'll take the end of that you just put through and put it through the hole that you made. If I can get that part done. And then you're going to take and pull everything tight. Like so. And then you're going to take and cut off the excess line that you don't need. And just like that, you have a fisherman's knot tied. It's an older knot. It's everything. I use it on everything fishing. So. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more fishing related videos, feel free to click one of the links, the video over in the corner here, and like and subscribe. Thank you.